You know that feeling when your to-do list is longer than your patience? When it's 8 p.m., the kids are finally in bed, and instead of relaxing, you're wiping kitchen benches, folding laundry, and wondering when your life became one long loop of chores. If that hits close to home, you're not alone. But there's a better way. It's time to meet the quiet hero behind the scenes, your house manager. Part 1. Reclaiming what matters, your time. Let's be honest, time is the one thing we can't make more of. And yet, so many of us spend hours each week stuck in the grind of housework, errands, and mental admin. A house manager changes that. They step in to handle everything from cleaning and laundry to coordinating trades, shopping, organising, and even prepping your home for events. They don't just help out. They manage your household like a well-oiled machine. Suddenly, your weekends aren't filled with cleaning. Your evenings aren't hijacked by folding towels or running last-minute errands. You have space to breathe, think, spend time with your family, or even just be still. Part 2. Peace of mind, less stress, less chaos. If your home is always on the edge of chaos, you're not imagining it. Mess and disorder have a very real impact on your mental health. Clutter increases anxiety. Unfinished tasks lead to burnout. The constant background noise of what needs to be done drains your focus and energy. But a house manager creates calm. By handling the day-to-day logistics, they quiet that noise. They free up your brain to focus on what matters, whether that's your kids, career, health, or creative spark. It's not just about having a clean home, it's about having a clear mind. Part 3. Tailored to your life, not one size fits all. Here's the best part. House managers don't come with a cookie-cutter checklist. At Clean House Melbourne, each client's needs are different, and that's precisely how it should be. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent juggling school runs and work deadlines, or someone caring for a loved one with additional needs, your house manager supports you. Need laundry done 3 times a week? Want someone to organise your pantry, meal prep on Mondays, or manage NDIS-funded cleaning hours? Done. Consider it sorted. This isn't about hiring a cleaner. It's about having someone in your corner who helps life feel lighter and more livable. Part 4. It's not lazy. It's smart. Let's ditch the guilt. Outsourcing your domestic tasks doesn't mean you're lazy or incapable. It means you're being smart about how you spend your time. Think about it. If you could free up 10, even 15 hours a week, what would you do with that time? More time with your kids? Dinner out with your partner? Starting that side business? Or maybe just enjoying a quiet moment with a cuppa and no one asking for anything? That's not indulgence, that's living well. Part 5. The ripple effect. More than just clean floors. Hiring a house manager isn't just about keeping up appearances. It has a ripple effect across your entire life. You become more present with your family. Your stress levels drop. Your home feels more like a sanctuary, less like a source of stress. And as the physical clutter disappears, so does the mental clutter. You make better decisions. You sleep better. You show up in life with more energy, more patience, and more joy. Part 6. Real life, real relief. Who it's for. So who hires a house manager? Busy couples. Professionals are working long hours. Parents who need help juggling everything. Families with neurodivergent or NDIS-supported members. Anyone who wants more time and less chaos in their life. Many Clean House Melbourne clients say they didn't realise how much stress they were carrying until it was gone. If you're constantly running behind, if your home feels more like a battleground than a retreat, If you're ready to swap overwhelm for ease, then it might be time to bring in a house manager. Let Clean House Melbourne match you with someone who gets it. Someone who'll handle the jobs and help you reclaim your life, one task at a time. Because your time is precious. And it's time you started treating it that way. Head to cleanhousemelbourne.com.au to learn more and book a free consultation. Your future self will thank you.